Ron Atchison from McKees 37. Today we're going to be taking a look at McKees 37 foaming wheel cleaner gel from the McKees 37 line. It is an acid-free, pH neutral, heavy-duty wheel cleaner. It's safe to use on clear-coated wheels, painted, chrome, polished aluminum. It has a color-changing formula so you can see when it's attacking the ferrous metal on your wheels from your brake dust. It also removes grease and grime and road film from the wheel. The foaming action of the wheel cleaner actually comes from being agitated with a brush like this. This is our easy detail brush. But for this demonstration, I'm not going to do any type of scrubbing or agitation. I'm simply going to spray the wheel cleaner on there and let it dwell for a minute or so, and you can see the cleaning action of the wheel cleaner all by itself. As you can see, this wheel is quite dirty, hasn't been cleaned in a very long time. So I'm going to take the foaming wheel cleaner gel, give it a nice coat of cleaner. As you can see, the cleaner's a gel formula, as the bottle states. What that does for you is the wheel cleaner actually clings to the wheel. Doesn't run off on the ground and do absolutely nothing for you. So as long as the wheel cleaner's sticking on the wheel, it's cleaning. I don't know if you can see it, but right here in this area, it's turning a goldish color where a little bit of the overspray went. That's where it's attacking the ferrous metal and removing it from the wheel. See it down in here. Now obviously, to get this wheel super clean, you know, it would need some agitation with the wheel brush like this, but for this demonstration we're simply just going to see how well the wheel cleaner can clean all by itself. Typically, you know, let this dwell for a minute or two to really give it a chance to work on this wheel. So at this point, we'll let the wheel cleaner gel do its thing, and I'll fast forward the video so you're not watching 2 minutes of a wheel sitting there with wheel cleaner on it. So stay tuned. See you in a couple of minutes. All right, the wheel cleaner is starting to dry a little bit. I'm out here in the Florida sun and it's mid-80s. Sun's right there, so I'm going to give it another squirt. We don't want the wheel cleaner drying on the wheel, but just give it a light amount just to get it wet again and let it sit there. But as you can see down here on these spokes, it's really turning gold. It's really finding a lot of metal on the wheel. So that's been a good minute or so, so let's give it a shot and see how well it does. All right, so as you can see, with absolutely no agitation, just letting the wheel cleaner sit there and do its thing, did a pretty great job. The wheel is obviously not perfect, but this wheel has also gone for months upon months without being cleaned. So, you know, on a car that you typically take care of the wheels pretty decently, the McKees 37 foaming wheel cleaner gel is more than enough to keep your wheels looking nice with very minimal amount of work. So this is Ron Atchison. Hope you found the video informative. Thanks for watching.